Now you are going to hear English conversation between native English speaker.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thank you. How about you?
I am good, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Emily. What is your name?
My name is Alex.
How old are you?
I am 21 years old. How about you?
I am 19 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from USA. Where are you from?
I am also from USA. Where do you live?
I am living in Canada. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have one brother and one sister. Do you have any siblings?
No, I don't. I don't have any siblings.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m. What are your hobbies?
I like to travel. What is your hobbies?
I like to play basketball. What is your favorite food?
I like sushi. What is your favorite drink?
I like frappuccino.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to relax when I am free.
What was Alex's hobby? Alex liked to travel. What was Emily's favorite drink? Her favorite drink was frappuccino. Was Emily's favorite hobby was to relax? No, her favorite hobby was to play basketball. Was Alex's favorite food was burger? No, his favorite food was sushi. What was Emily's age? She was 19 years old. What time does Emily wake up? She wakes up at 6 a.m.
What do you do for living?
I own a cafe. How about you?
I work in a normal company.
Which color do you like?
I like purple. What about you?
I like blue. How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. What about you?
It was quite busy. Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Yes, I'm going shopping with my friends. What is your favorite season?
I like summer. How about you?
I like autumn.
Have you ever been to Paris?
Yes, I went to Paris last year. Do you play any instrument?
Yes, I can play guitar and violin. What do Ellie do for living? She works in normal company. Which color did Ellie like? She liked purple. Which season does Alex like? He likes summer. Did Ellie like autumn as her favorite season? Yes, she loved autumn. Was Ellie weekends relaxing? Yes, her weekends was relaxing. What instruments can Alex play? He can play guitar and violin.
Don't forget to rewatch this video many times, as it will improve your English speaking skills.